Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Abhijit and today in this video I will tell you how to create a custom report type in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, custom report type enables us to define relationships between primary and secondary object, which allows us to access fields from both object in a single report, and we can build custom report types with the relationship of two or more objects, and it helps us to create complex report types that go beyond the standard Salesforce report types. So we are going to discuss the process of creating a custom report type in the both versions of Salesforce, that is Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce Classic as well. First we are going to see this process in Salesforce Lightning. So let's move ahead and see the process. So right now I logged into my Salesforce account, and on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, go to this quick find box and search for report types and click on this option report types. And on the setup page of report types, you can see this description of custom report types. You can go through it to understand what report type are exactly. Now I will click on this continue button to start the process. And here in the all custom report types, you can see the list of custom reports which I have created earlier. And to create a new custom report type, we will click on this button new custom report type. So in this step we will define the custom report type by entering the required details. So in the primary object, you have to select the object which you want to keep as a primary. So click on this select, and from here you can select the objects according to your requirement. I am selecting this campaigns, and in the report type label you have to write the name which are going to assign to this report type. So I am naming it campaign details, and as you click on this report type name, it will generate the report type name according to the label. And now write the description regarding this custom report type. So after writing description, select the category in which you want to store this report. So I've created this report type for campaigns, so I will store it in campaigns. And in the deployment status, activate the radio box in development so that only authorized user can view this report. And when you are ready to let all user to access this report type, you can change the status to deployed. So right now I am selecting in development and click on the next button. So in the primary object, I have to select the object which I have kept as a primary. So now you can see the campaigns is displaying as a primary object, and you can select another object to relate with this object. And for example, you are creating a report type like a campaigns with accounts, so you can select another object also like this, and here click on the drop down, and from here you have to select the objects. So I'm selecting contacts, and now click on the save button. So now the custom report type campaign details is created. So this is how we create a custom report type in Salesforce Lightning. So now we will move ahead and see the same process of creating a custom report type in Salesforce Classic. So right now I'm on the home page of Salesforce Classic, and from here I will go to this setup tab, and on the setup page go to this quick find box and search for report types, and click on this report types. And here I will click on this continue, and to create a new custom report type, click on this button new custom report type. And in the primary object, select the object you want to keep as a primary. So I've selected contacts as a primary object, and in the report type label you have to name this custom report type. So in the report type label I have named it contacts with accounts, and after writing the names I will write the description. And in the category I am selecting accounts and contacts, and now click on this next button. So here you can see contact is set as the primary object, and you can select another object if you want to relate another object with this primary object. So I'm creating this custom report type as a contacts with accounts. So I will select accounts as a second object, and now I will click on the save button. So now you can see this custom report type contacts with accounts is created successfully. So this is how we create a custom report type in Salesforce Classic. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.